The question is, which of the following statements best describes what a class diagram can include? The four options are only classes and their relationships, classes, instances and their relationships, and none of this. The correct answer is option B, only classes and their relations. Now, what is a class diagram? In software engineering, a class diagram is a type of static structure diagram that describes the structure of a system by showing the system's classes, their attributes, operations or methods, and the relationships among the objects. The class diagram is the main building block of object-oriented modeling. It is used for general conceptual modeling of the structure of the application and for detailed modeling, translating the models into programming code. Class diagrams can also be used for data modeling. The classes in a class diagram represent both the main elements, interactions in the application, and the classes to be programmed. In the diagram, classes are represented with boxes that contain three compartments. The top compartment contains the name of the class, which is a library member in this case. The middle compartment contains the attributes of the class, and the bottom compartment contains the operations the class can execute. So the correct answer is only classes and their relationships.